Hello, guys. This video will show you how to add colored flags to distinguish orders. First, let's learn how to add colored flags to your orders. Log into your DSers dashboard and go to Open Orders. Access any supplier or unmapped page. Hover on the flag icon to the right of the order number on the order card and choose a colored flag you want to use. If you want to change the flag color of your order, hover on the colored flag and choose another colored flag. To find orders quickly, you can filter them through colored flags. Still on the Open Orders page, access any supplier or unmapped page. Click on Filter on the top right of the page. In the side pop-up, scroll to Flags part and select the checkboxes in front of the flags you want. Click Confirm. Under each Order Status tab, you can only see the orders filtered by your wanted flags. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to our support team. Happy dropshipping!